how beautiful this world is.
That is AI, not me. I made it on my phone in just 2 minutes. No studio, no green screen, just the Gemini app. So, this is a full walkthrough of the setup. Let's go. So, first of all, what is it? It is the Gemini Avatars. So, this is a part of the Gemini Omni, which is the Google's new AI model announced in I/O 2026. It trains a digital version of you, your face, your voice directly in the app. It just takes about 2 to 3 minutes and it's pretty easy to set up. Once you set up, you can type a prompt, get a 10-second clip of yourself in any environment saying anything. You're not picking any stock AI character from some stock library or from some other AI tool. You are the character, you are the avatar. So, first of all, before starting to create the AI avatar, you need to know these requirements. You need to have a paid plan. Google AI Plus, Pro, or Ultra will do. Free tier is not having this feature as of now. And you should be at least 18 years of age. It is available only in English right now. It is not available in the EU, Switzerland, or the UK due to regulations. And lastly, you require a modern phone which is having a selfie camera. Any Android or iPhone will work. I'm using my Samsung S23. The very first time, if you're trying out to create your avatar, you can simply go to this plus button and you can see the avatar option. You can tap on it and you can go to create your avatar. The other way to generate or create your avatar is to go to your profile photo. That means go to the settings and then scroll down. You'll have this option called avatar. So let me go ahead and tap on it. Now it will show you how to set up the avatar. You need to create or capture a selfie video. So let's go ahead and capture the selfie video. So what it says that it allows you to create an avatar to add to any frame that you create, and it will look and sound like you, and your avatar will be only used by you. So it says that it is your avatar and you will be able to use it and no one else. So it is not a public avatar, it is a private personal avatar. So let's get started. Okay, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. You can delete the avatar data anytime. And also you are responsible for the content that you create using your avatar. So let's go ahead and tap on this agree button and set up the avatar. Okay, now it has given me this option to take a selfie. I have to look into two different cameras. Look at the camera and then start. Look at the camera, not in the display. All right. 12, 77, 19, 22, 97, 64. So you need to turn your head to the left. Turn your head to the right. So it has taken the selfie video and it is uploading to the Google server for the creation of the avatar. All right. So we'll have to wait for some time. It just takes a couple of minutes. It has got recording. Now your avatar is ready. You can call your avatar by calling your username or by calling me. So @me or @your username will give you access to the avatar. So if you're not happy with the avatar, you can retake the avatar and do the whole recording again. By the way, you can delete your avatar at any time and recreate your avatar if you are not happy. So I'll go ahead and use this avatar to show you the demo. Suppose if I go to a new chat window, when I say plus, you will see now my avatar is available. Tap on this avatar and it will just call my avatar. And what I can do is that I can prompt something like, sitting on a modern TV studio reading out the news headline, and it says that the breaking news about India finding a huge pile of uranium somewhere in the middle of the desert. So this is simply a prompt that I have given, and let's see what it creates. So it will take some time because it is based on the Google's video generation model, something like the VO model. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So you have to be patient about how much time it takes. It says that it cannot generate that video. Try describing another idea. So I'll go ahead and create another, give it another prompt. So prompt is very important. It may not accept all kinds of prompt. Place me in front of a futuristic Tokyo street at night, and I say that, wow, I'm mesmerized by this evening. Okay, I had given it another prompt and see whether it can generate this video or not. If you're not happy with the result that you have got from the prompt, what you can do, you can use the same prompt again to regenerate the video. So Google generates a new video every time. It may not be the same as the or earlier one. Now I can show you, see this.
Wow,
my
I'm
video
mesmerized
is
by this
there.
evening.
So if you're happy with your avatar video, you can go ahead and use it in your social media or something like that. So this setup requires you to have a live face. So you can't use a photo. That means somebody else cannot create your avatar using your photograph. And you can easily create intros, shorts, social clips, and generate them in bulk without touching your camera or your setup. And every video that you create will have the invisible Synth ID watermark, which can be verifiable in Chrome or in Google search. So Google will know that this is an AI generated clip if you're generating clip using the avatar system or the Google Omni model. The output isn't perfect as of yet, but since it is the version 1, it is pretty impressive. Subscribe to my video. I post videos on AI tools in my channel. Comment on how you use these kind of avatars if you are to create such an avatar the next moment, and I'll see you in my next video.